Do you need a new refrigerator? I'm Joey Lowe, the owner of Appliance Shark, and I want to show you around some of our fridges here. We have a lot in stock right now. We have Whirlpool, LG, GE, Samsung. We have all the top brands. They're all new, scratch and dent. Some of them, like these LGs right here, you got $15.99. The same one is $18.99. But if you look at these little dents, that's worth $300. So $300 off. It's worth it to take a trip over to Appliance Shark before you buy anywhere else to see if we can save you money. All of our refrigerators come with full warranties, just like any other store, except we'll save you money in a